How to open or access the task manager in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can open or access the task manager in your Windows 11 computer system. So in order to open or access the task manager, the first thing that you can do is press this shortcut key of Ctrl Shift and the escape key. So the moment you will press these three keys, you can see that you have landed into the task manager. So simply press the Ctrl Shift and escape key to land into the task manager. Now another method of opening the task manager is that you simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and then into this search bar you search for task manager. And once you will do this, under the best match you might find this option of task manager, which is a system application. So simply double click onto this task manager, and here you can see that you have successfully opened the task manager in your Windows 11 computer system. Apart from that, there is also a third method using which you can access the task manager. For that, the first thing that you need to do is press the run command. So in order to get to the run console, you can either press the Windows and R key combinations, and you can see that the run console appears. Or if you could not access it via the shortcut, what you can do is simply scroll your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and then you need to right click onto this start button. Now from here you can see a variety of options listed here, so you need to click onto this run button, and then in the run dialog box you need to type in the following command, that is task mgr. So simply type in task mgr, and then you need to click onto this OK button, and here you can see that you have successfully landed into the task manager again. So these are the three methods using which you can run the task manager. And also there is a fourth and last method using which you can also run the task manager, and that is almost exactly the same as the previous step, where you scroll your cursor towards the bottom of the screen, and then you need to right click onto this start button, and here you can see the task manager option. So simply click onto this task manager, and here you are again landed into the task manager. So that's how easily you can land or open the task manager in your Windows 11 computer system. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestion or question to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.